Hi, so today I'm just going to talk a little bit about um, fantasy. So we all grew up as kids hearing all the fantasy tales, Prince Charming is going to come and sweep us up and do all those things and we're going to live happily ever after. Well, the truth is, it just doesn't work that way. It just doesn't happen. So then why are we in it? Well, we can have a wonderful relationship. It is, but it's not always without challenges. And if anyone said otherwise, they're sorely mistaken. Now, we can always learn skills to develop communication and other things in our relationship that's really going to help us maneuver life's difficulties as it comes up, because they will. It just is. It's evident. And that will make your relationship stronger rather than tearing you apart. That is the truth. So you can have your relationship, but just remember that it takes some work. You can't just expect to say, okay, I'm going to the gym today. I'm going to work out. I worked out today, so I'm fit. I'm completely done. I never have to touch that again. It doesn't work that way. And with anything in life, anything worth having is worth putting time and energy into. Now, am I saying that you have to work out at 24/7? No. But remember that your relationship starts with you and your other. And if you don't invest in that throughout your marriage, then you will look at the other person as a stranger in 7 years after the kids have come, after your work has come and you've changed and you get busy, caught up in life and chores and homework and all these things that happen in life. If you don't invest in your partner, you won't have a partner, which means the base of your relationship is broken and crumbled and you can't get that back. So what I'm saying to you is remember that your relationship started with the two of you. And when you invest in that throughout your marriage, you'll have a wonderful marriage that when you have the ups and downs, you'll have tools and techniques that will grow you closer rather than pull you apart. And that's what I help couples do, is to help them work on their relationship, communication skills, to develop that intimacy that they're missing or that they put away. Just so that you know that that can happen again and grow more. So if this is you and you are in that point where you've kind of been together for a while, or maybe you're just starting out and you want to get on the best foot forward for your marriage, to learn to really communicate now, to avoid some pitfalls that most of us fall into, then contact me. We can help.